Hayi mina mfethu ngizokutshela iqiniso. Umzimba wakho uyi-70 yomqondo, consciously or unconsciously. Bese umbuzo uthi ke umqondo ke uyi-70 kabani? Yabona uma ngabe unganakile lama habitual thoughts onawo owaphinda phinda akukhandela into eyi-lifestyle. Lo lifestyle ekukhandela i-character, lo character eyi-destiny shaper for you, destiny shaper for you. Yabona ke yonke into eyenzakalayo, ama-circumstances nama-situations, they are following leyo series noma leyo pattern le ngisho. The soul will always seek for its own kind. It will always seek for its own kind. So your soul is your subconscious. So ngeke kuze kwenzeke ukuthi i-destiny nama-situations nama-circumstances akho ahambe ngale kwalokhu wena oyikona when it comes to ama-thoughts akho. So if izinto uyibambe kwi-level ye-thought usuke uyibambile ngoba there is no seed that will give you something different from its own kind. As you sow, so shall you reap. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzani noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esiwa khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Mawunganakile kukhona abantu abashape i-destiny yakho ngoba they make you to think consistently, to think what they want you to think. If when we are not in control of what you put your attention into, those things when that you put your attention into, they mold you. You energize those things and they grow. So delulu is a solution for you to be delusional. Ungabi nalento ekuthiwa iform, thinking that if you are not aware of what people are talking about, we are missing a lot. Yes, we are missing a lot of misery if you are focused on your own path and you are delusional. We are missing lots of chaos that is happening into other people's world. So as much as and as long as we are going to be interested in what people are interested into, you are going to receive what people receive. And what people receive is not what you want to receive. Do you get that? So there are people who are using the spiritual and universal laws against you. How do they do that? They just bring an awareness. Once they bring an awareness to you, then they cut you. Because that awareness will trigger certain thoughts. And those thoughts, because they are consistently bombarding you and make you aware of the things they want you to be aware of, surely there are thoughts that you are repeating. Bad thoughts produce bad results for yourself. For you, rather. So they are constantly bombarding you. If you are not delusional and living in your own world, then surely you are succumbing to somebody else's will because you are not exercising your own will. You have to look at what you want to look at. You have to give attention what you want to give attention into. Because people, they suffer from the fear of missing out. I don't know what is it that they are missing out, because you are constantly guarded and guided. You are not missing out from anything or on anything that you have to know. Anything that you have to know, surely it will come to your attention. But for you to constantly seek because you want to be secured and be informed of certain things, those things, they just mold and shape you. You are not aware that this reality that you find yourself into is just a perfect mirror of your thoughts, of your habits, of your character, of your worldview, of your personality, what the word self-identity.